Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix age restriction on X Twitter. Alright, let's begin. Before you start, keep in mind that viewing some restricted content on X may require X Premium and ID verification. Otherwise, certain content can remain unavailable even if your age is set correctly. First, open the X app and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Select Profile, then tap Edit Profile. Next, choose Birth Date and press Continue. Make sure your date of birth is correct and shows that you are at least 18 years old. If it is incorrect, update it and save the changes. After that, go back and tap your profile icon again. Open Settings and Privacy, then select Security and Account Access. Tap Security and look for the ID verification option. Once you have Premium, complete the ID verification process by following the on-screen instructions. That's it for this video. Thanks.